Schindler is a trusted partner for elevator and escalator maintenance all over the world. Half of our global maintenance services are for third-party units. We have one maintenance quality standard for all equipment, no matter what brand they are. My job is to develop standards, methods, and smart solutions. There are thousands of documents available in our system in over 40 languages. Our catalog includes spare parts for all product brands. Our multibrand experts around the world are closely connected through regular expert meetings and our community platform, sharing best practices and support on various multibrand topics. We have a multibrand training academy and well-equipped training centers with multibrand simulators and components. Simulators are really important because they help our service technicians practice on different units. Our digitally connected elevators let us know if they have a problem in real time, and we are able to apply the same technology on third-party units. This leads to support teams arriving swiftly with everything they need to fix a unit. We help technicians across the world deliver for maximum uptime and minimal disruptions for the customers. My job is about combining innovative technology, good processes, and a global network.